And the package has finally arrived. So we are going to unbox it now. The product description page says it has 850 pieces, but the same is not mentioned anywhere in the box. It has 9 different packages with different colors and shapes. One green base plate and 2 ideas are also included in here. Next we'll try to make some item using the ideas and we'll see how helpful the ideas are. So yes, the ideas are quite helpful and easy to make. In next video I'll try to make some more items from these bricks and will definitely share my progress with you guys. Thank you. Bye.